Okay, friends and parents, we are going to be going over our lesson before we come to class. It's called Brown Bear, What Do You See? We're going to talk about rhyming words. So first, what are rhyming words? The words that you see on the left here are what we call rhyming words. For example, bat and rat sound the same. They have the same ending in the AT family. Therefore, those two words rhyme. The same goes for ham and ram, fan and pan, cap and tap. Next, we're going to watch the video, Brown Bear, What Do You See?
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me.
So see and me rhyme.
Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me.
Remember, see and me sound the same. They rhyme.
Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see?
Dog and frog rhyme. They both end in OG.
I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at me. Woo! Now let's sing along. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Remember, our two rhyming words are see and me.
Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Yellow man. Get job. White dog, here we go. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at me.
Next, let's talk about what did the brown bear see? Talk with your parents and tell them some of the things the brown bear saw. He saw a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, a teacher, and children. Here are some more rhyming words. Cat and hat. They both end in A-T, at. Dog and frog both end in O-G, in the og. Now let's see. Do these words rhyme? Yes or no? Sat and bat. Tell your mom or dad who's sitting next to you whether those two words rhyme. A green thumbs up means yes, and a red sad face means no. Sat and bat do rhyme. They both end in A-T. What about hit and bit? Do those two words rhyme? Yes, they do rhyme. What about let and dog? Do those two words rhyme? Do they both end in the same ending? No, they don't rhyme. What about rang and ring? This one can be kind of confusing because they both end in NG and they both start with an R. But rang and ring don't sound the same, therefore they don't rhyme. See you guys when you get to class.